Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into NetSuite Web Services. Think of them as the secret sauce behind efficient business processes. These services help applications talk to NetSuite, making automation a breeze. Whether you're pulling data, pushing updates, or orchestrating workflows, web services have got your back. And let's be real, anything that saves us from manually updating spreadsheets is a win. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. All right, let's get into the nuts and bolts of NetSuite's web services. We've got SOAP. Reliable, structured, and kinda like the grandparent who's been around forever. Then there's REST. Modern, sleek, and perfect for scalability. Picking the right one depends on how your application likes to chat. So, whether you prefer a formal handshake or a casual fist bump, NetSuite has something for you. Here's a fun analogy. SOAP is like sending a well-packaged letter, while REST is more like shooting off a quick text message. SOAP gives you structure and security, but REST brings simplicity and speed. If you're dealing with mission-critical data, SOAP might be your hero. But if agility is your game, REST takes the trophy. Time to roll up our sleeves. Setting up NetSuite Web Services is like preparing a high-tech gadget. You've got to tweak the settings just right. First, dive into admin settings, then assign permissions. Don't lock yourself out. And finally, activate features like SuiteTalk. And hey, don't forget a test run. Because nothing says oops like realizing you're a PI isn't talking to NetSuite. Let's talk CRUD. No, not the messy kind. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, Delete. And these are the 4 pillars of data management. Creating new records ensures fresh data is stored. Reading is like peeking into a database's diary. Updating lets us tweak existing info, and deleting gets rid of what's no longer needed. Master these, and you'll wield data like a pro. SuiteQL is like SQL, but with a sweet twist. Think of it as SQL's fancy cousin. Knowing the syntax is key to crafting queries that don't resemble ancient hieroglyphics. Efficient queries ensure quick results. Filters and sorting make data more readable, and table joins help piece together valuable insights. With SuiteQL, you'll be slicing and dicing data like a pro chef. Errors, every coder's favorite headache. But don't worry, every issue has a solution. First, identify the common error types so you know what you're dealing with. Logs act like breadcrumbs leading to the problem. Implement proper error handling so things don't break spectacularly. And finally, testing and debugging ensure the code behaves as expected. Debugging, it's detective work, but without the magnifying glass. APIs are the magic bridges between systems, but magic needs rules. Standard authentication ensures security. Efficient data retrieval prevents sluggish performance. Proper error handling keeps integrations from breaking mid-process. And optimizing performance ensures everything runs smoothly, even as demand scales up. Think of a PI integration as training a pet. If done right, it listens perfectly. Security is like a good lock. You want it strong enough to keep intruders out. Strong authentication ensures only authorized users get in. Encrypted connections protect data from prying eyes. Restricting access prevents unnecessary meddling. And regular monitoring makes sure no security loopholes exist. Hackers don't rest, so we can't either. APIs aren't just cool tech. They power real-world applications. Automating processes saves time. Generating reports extracts valuable insights. Third-party integrations make systems more versatile, and improving user experience keeps customers happy. APIs are the unsung heroes of digital efficiency. And that's a wrap. We've explored CRUD, SuiteQL, debugging, best practices, security, and use cases. Next, dive deeper into resources, practice in real-world applications, and stay updated on new trends. The tech world moves fast. Keeping up makes all the difference. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.